lovely day. I'll be showing you how to make homemade yogurt. So do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post my videos. These are the ingredients: cold milk, culture, and a plastic fork or a plastic spoon. The next step is now putting this cold milk on a gas so that it can be warm. Yes. When you see the small bubbles on the fire on the milk, now it's ready to make yogurt. So now we are sieving the milk so that we remove the cream. The yogurt cannot be made without the cream. So that's what we are doing now. Then we add the culture. After this, we add now the culture. Now you are going to pour in the culture and then stir it. Just going to stir for a few minutes and then put it on a place where it is very warm. Now we are going to wrap the yogurt for 12 to 24 hours to warm it up. So I'm going to wrap it up with a blanket. So just wrap it up slowly so that it cannot pour so slowly. For only 12 to 24 hours. Then the next day I will show you how it will turn out. This is the final product. It is the vanilla strawberry yogurt. Vanilla yogurt.
Take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the Hall of Shame.